Hey y'all, it's Emily, and today I went apartment shopping for things for my apartment. So today is going to be day one of my moving out series. And so basically today what you'll see is you're going to see a big haul of all the things that I've gotten for my apartment so far, as well as a few shopping like vlog clips. And I also kind of redid some furniture that I bought as well, so you will see that in this vlog too. So I shopped so far at Goodwill and Target. So first I went to Goodwill, that was a few days ago, and what I bought there is I found a super cute table and chair set, and I found some plates. So the first thing that I'm going to show you is going to be the table and chair set. That's one of the things that I was hoping to find at a Goodwill somewhere because I wanted to get it cheaper than it would be brand new. And so I'm very happy with the table and chair set that I found. Now, it did only come with one chair rather than like two as I was hoping for, but we'll make do. It was cute. So right now you're going to see the table and chair that I got from Goodwill. You're going to see the before and after, as well as me fixing it up to my liking. So basically I painted it white, and you're going to see that right now. So another thing that I got from Goodwill are these plates. Basically there are 4 small ones and then 3 larger ones. So we've got the 2 different sizes. And during these next few weeks before I move out, I'm going to be stopping by Goodwill as much as possible in search of different items. But without further ado, let's get on to my Target haul, because some things you just shouldn't buy used. And so I have 3 bags. They're down below me. You already saw them. And let's start unboxing them first. Pretty basic, pretty generic. I got a little baking sheet. It was only a $5 baking sheet, so that's pretty good. And I figured I would need one of these for, you know, whatever uses it could be used for. I'm actually pretty happy that I found this one because it's like smaller than usual, and like I don't need to cook a bunch of food. It's just gonna be me. So here it is. It's just a Target brand baking sheet, 9 inches by 13 inches, supposedly. So that's my first item. Okay, next. I got an egg cooker. This definitely wasn't on like my list of things to get, but like I saw it and I was like, well, that could be really useful if I wanted to make eggs, boiled eggs, or like steamed eggs. So yeah, I'm gonna unbox it actually because that's more fun. I'm probably literally going to unpackage these and then put them back in their boxes so that I can transport them in a month. So here's my egg cooker. This is one of the more boring. These both, the last 2 items are more boring items, but it gets fun, I promise. How fun. So here's the egg cooker. It's got a bunch of different like pieces in it so I can boil eggs. I can even like cook eggs on the bottom of it. And then you just like screw the top off. It can hold 7 eggs. And they include recipes so you can make all types of eggs. Not that exciting, but I can now make myself some good eggs. Okay, next, this one's more exciting. So this, I got a little like lamp. So it's a mood lamp and it's made out of like a concrete base, and then it's got like the lamp light top. This one I'll probably actually use in my room before I move out because it's like a room essential. Got the plug, instruction thing. So here's what it looks like. It's pretty cute. It's battery operated or USB. It's pretty cute. I want to turn it on. Let's get batteries. Okay, I'm gonna get batteries. Oh, it's already on. Oh, it's pretty cute. And then I'll just keep this on maybe a desk. What's it called? Bedside table, a nightstand. We'll find a place to keep it. So that's pretty cute. Okay, next item. So I also got a blender because, you know, smoothies are a good meal to have, especially for breakfast. Pretty easy. I can take it with me anywhere in just a random cup. So I got this one. It's pretty small and it wasn't that expensive. So hopefully it lasts. Okay, so it comes with a travel lid. Oh, and a little cup. It's kind of cute. It's got the cutest little blending blade. It said it came with like a travel cup, but I really don't think you don't want to be drinking it out of the cup with a blade in it. Okay, here's the little stand, and then you just stick it in. And then it's a little blender. It's kind of cute, I like it. Okay, next, this one's really fun and adorable. Saw this and immediately knew I needed it in my life. It was not on the list, but I got it anyways. So this is the cutest thing ever. It's a mini waffle maker. Like, it's literally, it makes 4-inch waffles. It's the cutest thing literally ever. Oh my gosh. It's so adorable. And it just makes little waffles. This is so cute. Like, you cannot tell me that this is not the best thing ever. Next, I got some decoration pieces. So these are string lights. I really like the idea of like stringing lights across my apartment. I think it'd be so cute and make it my own. I don't think I'm gonna open these because they're just lights. They're not, if I show you them, they're not that exciting. But I got these. They're just like circular string lights, and then the wires are black. And then I'll string them like through like the ceiling of my apartment. I could even use them as part of a backdrop or something. But yeah. The last item in this haul would be this. This is like an off-brand Brita. Supposedly it's better than the Brita. It's slightly bigger and it filters more supposedly, but also it was a cuter color, which is why I went with it. So here's what it looks like. So like, you know, I'm moving out. I just graduated. I'm watching all types of apartment videos and everybody says that you need a Brita or a water filter because you don't want to be drinking any type of dirty water. So I believed them and I got one. So it comes with like the container and then a filter. So I'll set that up when I move out. And yeah, it's pretty self-explanatory. It just filters water. So yeah, that would have been my last item for this trip to the store. Now, depending on how long this video is, I might just go ahead and post what I've already done, or I might wait and add on to it the next time I shop at Goodwill or another place. But yeah, that's everything that I've gotten so far. So anyways, I will film an outro later, and you'll know in the next 2 seconds if there's more to this video. Okay, so hi everyone, I am back. It is a week or a few weeks later, and I have been to Goodwill a few more times. I've looked around, I haven't really found much, but I have found something that is better than probably anything else I would find. I found at Goodwill a few days after the first time that I went, the matching bowls to the plates that I got for my apartment. I don't know about you, but I was so excited when I saw these because like you need bowls to eat certain things, and so you know, bowls was one of the essentials on the list that I would have needed to get. But I happened to find the bowls that exactly matched and probably went with the plates that I got, but they were not out when I got the plates. They were out a few days later, which was so perfect that I went and got them before somebody else went and bought them bowls that matched. But I'm just so happy about these bowls for some reason. There's just 2 of them from Goodwill, 99 cents each. I'm just so happy about these bowls, okay? They're gonna look so cute. Actually, I think they're from different companies too, so they're not even from like the same brand. They might not even go together. But they're the exact same color, they match perfectly, they are so perfect. Anyways, that's going to be all for today's video. I'm going to save the rest of my apartment shopping for another video. There's honestly not a lot more that I need to get. Like, there's definitely a bunch of like boring things, but we already covered the more fun things, so I'm going to leave the rest of it for another video. Definitely subscribe because I'm going to be posting so much moving out content. There's going to be moving out vlogs, apartment shopping, finding out where I'm moving to, packing, moving, unboxing, all kinds of content, apartment tour. Like, there's gonna be some fun stuff. So definitely subscribe and stay tuned. Subscribe button in the button below, the screen or the icon on the corner of the screen if you're using a computer. You can also check out some of my social media below because I'll probably be posting some moving out and other types of content on there. So they're linked in the description. Also, I really do hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did enjoy it, definitely leave a like and go make sure to watch some of my other videos, because if you enjoyed this one, then you might enjoy some of my other videos as well. I have so many videos posted, so definitely go check some out. And anyways, I will see you next time. Bye!